If you miss some dressing on any lettuce, this is what I always use as a dressing. I just take my starch meal, like if it's a potato or rice or whatever, with sauce, and then I take the lettuce and just dip it into it like a hot dog kind of, and then don't forget to blow. Perfect. That is how that is how you can get in your greens so easily, like so easy and so tasty, and it makes it so fresh the whole dinner. So you don't need any oils or any, any vinegars for a dressing. Just take the starches you already have and you eat anyway. Easy.